New home construction must include specific pest prevention measures for detached garages and outbuildings to stop these structures from becoming entry points and reservoirs for pests. Start by sealing gaps at garage doors, windows, plumbing penetrations, and foundation joints using polyurethane or silicone caulk for small gaps and foam backer rod plus expanding foam for larger voids. Make sure door sweeps and thresholds are fitted so there is no light visible under the closed door, and use a metal threshold plate for durability. Elevate stored wood, cardboard, and building materials at least 4 inches off the floor on treated pallets or metal racks to deny pests harborage and to allow air circulation that discourages termites and rodents. Install passive ventilation vents at the gable ends and consider a small ducted exhaust fan if the structure will store moisture-prone items to reduce relative humidity below 50%, which limits mold growth and deters many. Insects. Place tamper-resistant bait stations around the exterior perimeter at intervals of 10 to 15 feet where allowed, and supplement with snap traps inside for rodents, following label instructions and keeping baits out of reach of children and pets. For new construction, ensure grading slopes away from foundations at a minimum slope of 1 inch per foot for the first 10 feet to prevent water pooling against walls, which attracts moisture-seeking pests. Maintain a cleaning schedule where stored items are inspected and rotated every 3 months. Spills and organic debris are removed promptly, and seasonal checks for gnawed insulation or droppings are documented so you can act quickly. Common mistakes include leaving small gaps and relying only on weather stripping, which stretches and degrades over time, so recheck seals annually and replace compressible materials that are misshapen. Storing wood directly on the floor or against an exterior wall invites termites and rodents, so elevate and keep a clean buffer zone of at least 18 inches between combustible or organic materials and exterior siding. Ignoring ventilation and humidity control leads to mold and insect infestations, so install vents, use a dehumidifier on a humidity-controlled setting, and monitor with an inexpensive hygrometer to keep levels low. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on garage and outbuilding pest prevention and renovation projects, and helps contractors find work in our local service areas. We host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, contractor experiences, and project photos to help you plan and protect detached structures.